Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
Now this little knicker, it's kind of a pain in the butt because it's so small. One thing I can do is carefully sharpen these from this side. Now there's actually two of these knickers that are hardly touched. It's almost impossible to see, but what I'm doing is holding the knicker between my thumb and forefinger and just dragging that across the sandpaper. Following the bevel. Wonder if there's a better way. Let's see. Got this little tool here, might as well use it. If I put this in there, grip it like that, then I can take the sandpaper and go across that edge. Well, that's shining it up.
If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.